Hello and welcome to this video in which I would like to give you an introduction to TradingView. TradingView is a web-based program in which we like to use to do all of our charting and technical analysis. The reason that we like TradingView is because it has access to all of our technical analysis tools that we use on a daily basis, as well as having a very clean and tidy user interface. We have no affiliation with TradingView, but there are free and paid for plans. I do recommend that you just start with the free version, and then if you require the paid version over time, feel free to upgrade, but that is a decision you can ultimately make. So TradingView and an introduction to use this. Firstly, you'll want to know how to load up your screen and actually look at the candles, look at the bars to see what price is doing. For example, we might want to look at Bitcoin over at BitMEX. To do that, we would type in XBTUSD, which is the ticker for Bitcoin on the BitMEX chart, and we would click on the perpetual inverse swap contracts. That would load up our BitMEX chart. Alternatively, we might want to look at a stock, for example, such as Apple, which we could type in AAPL, which is the ticker for Apple, and that would load up our Apple chart. So we'll come back to BitMEX here, look at the Bitcoin chart, and what our next step might be is to do some technical analysis. We might want to use something such as a Fibonacci retracement to a parallel channel. For all of these technical analysis tools, we will have in-depth videos explaining how to use each of these tools correctly when you're going to trade. For this video, I'm going to put on a parallel channel where we are connecting it from the highs down to the lows. That is put on our channel. What we could say next is we're interested in entering a short position as we approach the high of this channel. As you can see here, I have a favorites toolbar at the top with the parallel channel that I have just used, as well as a short position tool. To have a favorites toolbar at the top, you simply come over to the left-hand column, expand the tools that you regularly use and put a star next to them. That will add them to your favorites toolbar so they are very quickly accessible. So we'll enter a short position from the top of our channel. We will place our stop loss above the channel high and we will target down at the channel lows. This is a very simple setup. What we might want to do next is, upon having this trade idea, share it with our trading community prior to taking the trade to get some feedback of whether this is potentially a good or a bad idea. Have we totally messed up our technical analysis, or is our trade idea correct? To do so, we will click on the camera icon in the top right. Click on the camera icon and that will give you the URL, which you can simply copy and paste, or better yet, click on save image and then right click and copy this image. Okay, so copy this image and paste it over in the charts section within our trading community. From here, you can paste your chart and ask for some feedback on the chart, and we'll be more than happy to assist you and say whether your idea is along the right lines or not. So that is a basic introduction of how to have your chart added on TradingView using the add symbol, and you will type in the ticker. You then are having a basic overview of how to add certain tools to the favorites toolbar. Once again, all of these tools are going to be explained over at Chart Champions, where we'll be giving you a full lesson on how to use them all. Then we have gone over how to share screenshots so you can get feedback from the community or your trade ideas. Lastly, I would like to note how to change between the chart styles. For example, if you want to look at a line chart or whether you want to use the standard Japanese candlesticks, you can simply select that on the bar style, and from here you can switch between your chart layouts. The majority of the time you will want to be using your standard chart bars, the Japanese candlesticks. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you and you have understood why we use TradingView and some of the very basic beginner functions to this website. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.